Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Disneyland app that is attached to California Adventure and Disneyland Park. Today we're using California Adventure's side because that's where we're at, and I love it because you can do so many things. You can view pictures, wait times, order foods. The Disney Max Pass that is associated with using this app actually saved us about 3 to 4 miles a day because you can click on the different attractions and reserve your Fast Pass right from that attraction. So you cannot actually hold 2 Fast Passes for the same ride at the same time. And you also can go in and see the different Fast Pass times that are available, because when you book a Fast Pass, you have to wait an hour and a half in between the Fast Pass times to book another one. Or you can book another one once you have used the Fast Pass if that time comes before the hour and a half. Now let's jump into some of the other features, like finding and ordering food straight from the app. This was really convenient if you just click on the dining portion of the drop down and then find in the park the area that you want to eat. Now that you've decided where you want to eat, it's super easy to order straight from the app, so you don't have to wait in long lines and you can skip the lines and go right up to the mobile window. Simply choose the restaurant, view the menu, go in and decide what it is that you want to order. And most menus will have something secret on there that you actually can't order from the app. So if you're looking for like one of those secret menu items like a sourdough mac and cheese bowl, you're going to actually have to order from the window. Once you decide what you want, you can click on when you're going to arrive. And I love this because then I can actually order from line and then go in and just put your order in, and it will confirm it with your card. You'll pay for it right there. Once you're at the actual restaurant, you can click I'm here. They begin preparing it, and it really only takes about 3 to 4 minutes for them to complete your order completely, and you've never had to stand in a line or stress about the time that that's going to take. I absolutely love this feature of the app. Do you have a kid that's dying to meet up with a bunch of the characters? There's actually a drop down for this as well. You can see where the characters are in the park and what time exactly they'll be there. This is so helpful so that you can make sure and get all those character signings in at once. The next one we're going to go through is entertainment. Are you looking for a show? Then just click on the entertainment in the drop down menu. It will tell you when the different entertainment things will be and at what spots, and so you can make sure everything at the appropriate time. I definitely recommend that you make sure and get to the Frozen show. It's absolutely amazing, and it gives you a great hour to just rest. Okay, next we're going to talk about bathrooms. I know sometimes it's hard to find some bathrooms when you're in a park, and so you can actually select that on there, look for them there. You can also see the different events and tours that are going on. One of the best parts of having a Disney Max Pass is being able to get all your pictures that are taken of you in the park. And this is done by clicking on the photos. You can go in, you can see all of the different photos that have been taken of you in the park. There's actually not a ton of places in Disneyland to get pictures, but California Adventure has a lot more. If you want to link a photo to your photo pass, go to the main photo page and just put show photo pass code. That will then allow the photographer to link everything to yours. Now you also can click on my plans, see when your Fast Passes are coming up, what you have kind of in queue. You can hold multiple Fast Passes, like I said before, if you've got time in between them. You also can view your park passes. So if you lose the little card, it's actually right here in the app. Super convenient, made it super great for my kids. I didn't have to worry about them losing their ticket that they wanted to hold on to. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more videos like this. I hope you have a magical time at Disneyland.